So the University of Dundee, in collaboration with the James Hutton Institute, represents the largest concentration of plant scientists in Scotland and the second largest in the UK. So students studying here have access to an incredible breadth and depth of information and knowledge on plant sciences that is applicable to practically all aspects of dealing with many of the great challenges that are facing humanity at the moment. So food security, water security, climate change mitigation, these are all things that we're working on here. Dundee has a unique place in Scotland in that we have a very close partnership with the James Hutton Institute, which is an agricultural research institute on the edge of Dundee. Many of the people that teach plant sciences at Dundee are joint appointments between the institute and the university, and what this allows us to do is really deliver research and teaching that spans the whole breadth of plant sciences. So we have fundamental plant sciences all the way through to field trials, and students are exposed to all of that in our teaching and particularly in their level 3 and level 4 research projects.
Everyone who I've ever spoken to in my plant science cohort has always said that the plant science staff and the lecturers are always really enthusiastic. And I think that's a very big part of why Dundee University itself is very good, is because the lecturers themselves are very enthusiastic about what they teach, because they are these world-class researchers. They love what they do, and researchers who love what they do love to talk about what they do. And that really comes out with the plant scientists especially.
So plant sciences is actually one of the more employable disciplines in the UK. Agritech always wants more plant scientists than the universities across the UK are able to supply. So there is massive demand for people to work in agritech. There is also the emerging next generation agriculture technology such as vertical farming, pink houses, greening cities. These are all areas where knowledge is required, and there's going to be a lot of jobs involved for those people in the near future. Plant-derived pharmaceuticals and using plants to produce pharmaceuticals is going to be something that is again increasing. Plants are a very cheap, easy, green way to make medicines. Many of our existing pharmaceuticals derive from plants, so 60% of anti-cancer drugs are from plants. So using plants to produce medicines, or even bioprospecting plants, is an incredibly powerful way to find new medicines, which is another reason why biodiversity is important. So the Division of Plant Sciences is the largest division in the School of Life Sciences. We have 14 active research leads. Many of those are joint appointments with the James Hutton Institute, and they work on areas from biofuel production through to plant development, plant pathology, and in many of those areas we're interested in maximising plant yield, resistance to pathogens, particularly in the face of climate change.